Want to spice up your PC with a motion background? I'll show you how to do it for free. First, search for Lively Wallpaper on Google and click on the link from Voxxzzy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You can choose between the Microsoft Store version or the Classic installer. I'll go with the Classic download. Once it's finished, just run the setup. Now, we need a cool background to put in there. Go back to Google and search for motion wallpaper for PC. I recommend the site with over 8,000 live wallpapers in 4K. There are so many options. But I'm going with this one-piece wallpaper. It looks perfect. Just hit download. After that, open Lively Wallpaper and click the plus icon on the top. A new window will pop up. From here, you can simply drag and drop your file, or click Choose a File to select it manually. In this final window, you can edit the title, add a description, or change the author's name. I'll just shorten the title for now and click OK, and that's it. Your new motion wallpaper is ready to go.